you could really go wild underneath your floor and start checking all kinds of things out. You know, here's another thing. See this is air conditioning ducting, and it's gotten old, and look how brittly it is. Here's your insulation that's wrapped around a flexible duct, and it's coming apart, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that piece right there. This is where the air return duct comes back into the unit. These are all the air supplies that come out of this side. That's the hot air, but this is sucking in hot air from inside the house. Look at this pipe back here. See that? That's the flexible plastic pipe inside the insulation wrap and the plastic, and it's come all apart. You know, how are they going to fix that? Well, they could wrap that and kind of pull it back and then thread it with a couple, well, not a couple nails, but quite a few different nails. If you have enough overlap, you can pull them together and just kind of weave it back and forth and tie it together. And if that's too short, you can get insulation wrap that's maybe a foot wide and a roll of it maybe 25 feet long or longer, and you can wrap it. That's kind of what they did on these joints. See the yellow insulation right there? There's a joint right there because there's a Y there. See, there's one duct here, and then it tapered and it goes out both directions. That's called a Y. And this is metal right there. So they wrapped it with the insulation and then put a strap on it right there and attached it up here. Okay, so see that is something that really needs to be attended to. We never would have found that had we not have decided to fix this pipe. Now see how nice this pipe looks now? Strap, 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 strap right there. We got it fixed. Nice, way to go. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.